child remembers every word. The ones that heal, the ones that hurt. A hand held out when times were hard, or a wound that left a lasting scar. We all carry stories inside, moments we never truly hide. A little kindness can change a day, a little cruelty can stay for years. Some people bloom when they're believed in, some people break when they're pushed away. The seeds we plant in human hearts always find a way to grow. What are we building? What are we leaving behind? Every choice becomes a footprint, every action shapes a life. Kindness creates loyalty, it builds a bridge across the sea, a helping hand, a listening ear, can turn a stranger into someone dear. Pain breeds hatred, the cycle grows. A wound ignored, a heart that closes. The world becomes what we repeat. So be careful what you plant beneath your feet. A teacher who believed in one child can change a future for 1,000 miles. A parent speaking words of grace can become a safe and sacred place. A friend who stays when storms arrive can help another soul survive. The smallest acts we barely see can shape what someone comes to be. But anger passed from hand to hand can spread like fire across the land. And pain unanswered year by year can become the thing we fear. What are we building? What are we leaving behind? Every choice becomes a footprint, every action shapes a life. Kindness creates loyalty, oh, it builds a bridge across the sea, oh, a helping hand, a listening ear, can turn a stranger into someone dear. Pain breeds hatred, the cycle grows. A wound ignored, a heart that closes. The world becomes what we repeat. So be careful what you plant beneath your feet. Kindness creates loyalty.
La bondad crea lealtad. La gentilesse crée la loyauté. A bondad crea lealdad. Wema hujenga uaminifu. El lotfi yasna el wafa.
Gentillesse crée fidélité.
El dolor alimenta el odio.
La douleur nourrit la haine.
Ador alimenta el odio.
Kindness creates loyalty. One heart at a time. One word, one choice, one reason to keep hope alive. Pain breeds hatred, if we let it remain. But healing begins when compassion steps in and love breaks the chain. Kindness creates loyalty. The truth remains the same. The future is growing from seeds we are sowing. So choose what you plant today.
Every word we speak, every action we take, every kindness we show becomes a seed. The question is not whether something will grow. The question is, what are we planting? What are we planting?